What's up, guys? Back in the shop today working, and sorry we didn't put a video out in a little while, but we have been slammed busy. We've been working on the Firebird. Some people know, some people don't know. The Firebird was purchased. Actually, Alex knows, bought the Firebird, so we've been busy trying to get it ready for Street Car Takeover Indy. We've been wiring, plumbing, turbo setup, everything. So we're gonna do a quick little video, show everybody what all we've got done. So we'll come in here and we'll show you the inside. Alright, so on the inside, it's not completely wired yet, but you get pretty much the gist of it. Obviously it's carbon on Haltech, we're in Haltech and everything. So this is all done, all the wirings. It's 90% done, we still have to tie some things up, finish making some connections. So that's all done. And then we've got turbos mounted, piping all tacked together. These are twin 80 millimeters, gauge, billet wheel, ball bearing, and a 1.0 housing. And then this is just kind of our mock-up block. It's just a bare block, you know, down and forward, stainless headers, JGS wastegates. It's gonna have twin tile blow-off valves. It'll be on alcohol, so no radiator, anything in it. So yeah, that's just kind of what we've been doing the last couple days. So we'll kind of try to start staying back up on videos. But yeah, if y'all aren't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, share, like, comment, tell us what more you want to see. Today's, what's that, Craig? Yeah, I know it's Tuesday. What's the date? 16th. Alright, today's July 16th. We were planning on having this thing on the racetrack July 26th. So, not much time to get a lot done. We still get everything ceramic coated, powder coated, plumb all the fuel lines. We got our good motor over here. We're getting ready to put it in tomorrow. So, yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Again, subscribe, share. We're definitely trying to grow this channel. Plus, you can see a lot of cool stuff we build. Thanks for watching.